Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be carving up a beast, a snow beast, the Bumble, the Abominable Snowman. You know, I decided to go vintage. We're going to carve up some characters from the old school Rudolf, and we're going to start with the Bumble. We'll see how many we can get done before Christmas time. Weather's going to be a big factor. It's like 20 something today. It's already freezing. I'm freezing. But yeah, we're gonna carve the Bumble. It's gonna probably be like this big out of this log, leaving the lower section probably for the next carving. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, stick around. Hey guys, real quick as we get into this carving, it's obviously time-lapse, super high speed. If you guys want to see me do the chainsaw work and carve this thing out a little bit slower, check out my most recent live feed. It's like an hour and 40, hour and 50 minutes long, but it was live earlier this week, and you know, you can see all the cuts. Yeah, all the chainsaw work is in that video, so I will have it popping up like right here, the link to it, if you want to go back, check that out, and then come back to this one or whatever you want to do. But if you want to see this carving in a little more in-depth, that would be the video to check out. So thank you guys for watching, and hope you enjoy. guys, chainsaw work is done. We're gonna have to do one of those snap things because it's freezing out here and I gotta paint them in the shop, so don't go anywhere, okay? But I'm gonna let you guys check them out. Look at them. Look at this guy. Oh yeah. Ugh. Nice piece of poplar. Got his pectoral muscles, skinny legs, cool hands here. Oh yeah. It's been a fun piece. Be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys haven't already, and don't go anywhere because when I come back, we're gonna have a finished piece with a whole bunch of color. Oh yeah, and a magic trick. There you go, guys. Check it out. The Bumble from Rudolf, all carved up. Got him standing on a snowball. Bring you guys in so you guys can get a closer look at this guy. This was fun. This was a fun carve. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. I know I did. I'm going to continue to make some more Rudolph or Christmas themed pieces, if you will. So be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe if you haven't already so you guys don't miss out. Well guys, that's it. Hope you really enjoyed this video. I know I had a lot of fun carving it up. Keep an eye out for some more of these characters as we lead up to Christmas. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe. Also, check out the description down below this video. You guys can go there. I'll have links to the tools that I used or something similar through Amazon. You guys purchase through those links to help support the channel. I'll also have links to my own personal stuff. You can buy some work through my Etsy store. You can buy t-shirts I've designed through the Teespring account I've got. You guys can also follow me on social media through Instagram and Facebook. All that is down below. If you're a new carver, feel free to send me some pictures. All right, I've got my email down there. Send me pictures. Be sure to put your name in the picture and country or state that you're from as well, as I'm working on a new carver video. They always take forever to put together, but pictures are always welcome. You guys can also go to my website. I've got that down below in that description, and I'm starting to do a little bit of writing and create a blog, so you guys can go there, check that out, see what it's all about. And you know, I hope you guys have an awesome day, awesome rest of your week, and I'll see you in the next video.